Remember, when the sun goes down, you store inside. Where are you going? Hello guys, this tomato, a little bit crazy, they are going everywhere. Today we are making sun-dried tomatoes, homemade. Now in Italy is 15 July, July 15. So it's the right time for sun-dried tomatoes. The sun is super hot, the day are still long, and the tomatoes are spectacular. Now I will cut them in two and put in a tray. Remember that you can buy this knife, KOTAI knife, with 15% of discount. Remember, because they are good, so the price is important. Also, the discount is very heavy, 50% is a lot of save. Abundance of salt. Don't worry, because after we will wash them with hot water and vinegar to remove the extra salt and also to clean them from the dust, because now we put outside under the sun. Remember, when the sun goes down, you store inside, and the following morning you put outside again under the sun. I will update you when they start to dry a little bit. After only 24 hours, because the sun is super strong, we have 60 Celsius degree and 10% of humidity. Our sun-dried tomato are ready. So now we'll make other 2 kilograms, and this one tomorrow I will put in the oil, so I will preserve it in the oil. From 2 kilograms of tomatoes, now we have 220 grams of sun-dried tomatoes. Only a curiosity, you can keep doing like this. Put the tomato with salt under the sun until you make thousands of kilograms of tomatoes. Here, this is another batch. I done 4 kilograms in total. By the way, let's go ahead with the recipe. In this pot I put 1 liter of water. Now we add half glass of white vinegar, a bay leaf, and we wait until the water boils. When start boiling, we can throw inside our tomatoes little by little, and we need to boil them 2 minutes. Okay, when they reach the room temperature and they are almost dry, we can put directly in the jar, so they are ready. Every year I give you an alternative. In the last video I show you that if you have problem with the garlic and you don't want to use fresh garlic, you can remove the skin, cut in two, boil for 2 minutes, and after put in the jar to be more safe. And after you add the oregano, the real one, if you can find it in your country. You know, you can buy the one in the glass container, and a bay leaves each jar. But if you are more worried, you can use a mix like this. There is a dry garlic, chili, I don't remember. Yeah, probably there is also basil, already bay leaves, and oregano for sure. It's like Italian mix spice, something like that. But the good stuff of this is that the garlic is dry, so you can use it without any problem. Please, I say again, please don't use powdered garlic, because the taste, the smell is awful. If you want to use spice, powdered garlic, instead of the fresh one because you are worried about botulinum, please take botulinum, that is better. Okay, let's start. So now I'll show you. Now you see the garlic is dry garlic, no powder. So we put some spices like this. The tomato, again spicy, oregano, bay leaves, tomato, and so on until the jar is full. And after we need to fill it with extra virgin olive oil. Remember, after maybe 1 hour or two, the oil will drop and you need to top up with a little bit of oil. Always good to check after few days. So it's convenient to make them at home. In Italy, no, because if you buy them in the supermarket, they are more cheap, but they are big like this, soaked with a lot of vinegar. So in a jar like this, they can fit half of the one that we will fit. Plus, the taste is completely different. They are a little bit soggy, full of vinegar. And plus, you don't know the kind of oil that they have used. So, extra virgin olive oil. Don't worry, the leftover oil you can use for cooking, for pasta, when you make bruschetta, not bruschetta. So, if you have tried homemade sun-dried tomatoes and the one from the supermarket, let us know down in the comment the differences. How long you can preserve them. If you cover them with the oil, they can last 1 year at room temperature. Don't worry, the important is when you take them with a fork, please, a clean fork, and after you top up again with the extra virgin olive oil. If they are covered in the oil, they can last forever. Don't worry. Minimum, you need to wait 1-2 months so that they get all the taste from the spices, from the oil, but I'm sure I cannot resist. So next week I will do the tasting. See you soon. Spectacular. They are super tasty, not too soft, not too crunchy, not too dry. They are really spectacular, like a candy because they are a little bit sweet. Spectacular. Let's try with the beer, homemade beer. Even better. Remember that this coming Tuesday, August 4, we will cook together in streaming 5 p.m. Italian time. I post already in the community section a picture with the recipe with all the ingredients. So please remember August 4, Italian 5 p.m. But don't worry, I will prepare the stream in advance so you can notice, because we will cook using homemade beer. Will be a spectacular recipe. Okay guys, remember to subscribe to the channel, to like it, to watch and share this video with your friends. If you already tried my homemade sun-dried tomatoes, let us know down in the comment, because I posted different recipe. I know that many of you follow the recipe and were not only surprised but also super happy. Bye bye. Spectacular. With all the oil everywhere. Even better. Bye bye.